Hi guys, I am on my way to work right now. I am running late. I literally thought I was gonna go early and like get a drink and chill, but no, I have to be to work in like 3 minutes. But this video is going to be Valentine inspired Starbucks drinks that I come up with myself. It should be fun. Like, I don't know, some people hate on Valentine's Day, but I like the February aesthetic with the pink and red. Like, it's so girly and it's like, I don't know, but I like it. So we're gonna go ahead and do some V-Day inspired drinks, non-menu items, and I'm gonna show you what I come up with. Alright guys, it is freezing, but I have the first drink. I didn't get my sticker for it because I made it before I cashed it out, and then I just never went and grabbed the sticker. But check her out. It's been a few minutes since I made it, but this is a venti iced mocha with just 2 pumps mocha. I didn't want it to be like, the mocha is super chocolatey, and I didn't want it to be like dark brown, like just, so I just did 2 pumps mocha as opposed to 6 that it would normally come with. And look how dark it is. I use oat milk. I was just feeling oat milk. All my non-dairy peeps out there. And then I did some strawberry puree around the top of the cup and strawberry cold foam. Strawberry cold foam is just strawberry puree in the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. I haven't tried it yet. I used to love, and I still do, strawberry cold foam. I used to get it on top of my chai all the time. It was just really good, like before I worked at Starbucks. Okay, we were out of Grande Venti Nitro lids, so I just have the regular one. Okay, the foam is good. That sip was mostly foam. And I'll make sure to put on the screen how to order right here. Y'all, there's like so much things going through my head right now. The puree that I put around the top of the cup actually went down to the bottom. And so at the bottom, when I put my straw on, I got some mocha and strawberry together. And it did taste like chocolate strawberries. However, I think I messed up only putting 2 mocha because there's nothing else sweetening the coffee itself. And it's a little bit bitter. It's not like horrible, but it's not that good. The foam on top is very delicious. I'm gonna give this like a 2.5 out of 5, but get more sweetener in it. I should have got a venti ice white mocha and then just sub one of the white mocha shots for 1 chocolate. So then it would have been a little bit chocolatey, very sweet, and also kind of strawberry. So maybe I can reformulate this one. Is formulate a word? Yes, it is. But yeah. Okay, that's it for this one. Hey guys, it's so freaking cold, so it's like a different day now, but I have a frap here. I'm just in my car on break. Okay, so this is the second drink. I'm calling this the Valentine's Day frap. So what this is a strawberries and cream frap made with vanilla sweet cream instead of milk, with 2 pumps of white mocha added. That's the only thing different for the frap itself. And then holiday sprinkles on top, which the red sugar ones with like the white balls, which your Starbucks may or may not still have left from Christmas. So that's kind of a long shot, but this is it. It's obviously very pretty, very aesthetic. We're gonna taste it and see how it actually tastes. It's tasty. It's super cold. It's giving me brain freeze. It's good. So when I put vanilla sweet cream instead of milk, I feel like it gives it like a little bit more of an ice cream taste, like more milkshakey. I don't know. It's not a huge difference, but it is yummy. Yeah, it's good. Very cute. Very girly. It's giving. I would say it's giving. Alright guys, I hope you can see this good enough. I'm actually going to take a little flash video. This is an iced chai tea latte with oat milk. Of course, oat milk again. I'm not non-dairy, but I'm kind of like, I'm a fan of oat milk. So I wanted to make something that looked pink. So there's actually only 2 pumps of chai in this venti drink. It usually gets 6. So this is very light chai, oat milk, and then a good amount of strawberry puree in here. I'm really nervous. I have no idea. This is gonna be okay. I mostly taste the oat milk, to be honest. And then like a hint of strawberry. It's kind of like the Quaker oatmeal strawberry instant oatmeal packets, which I grew up having them at my Nana's house. So also, if you wanted to be really extra, you could ask for the drink shaken to make sure that like the puree is kind of distributed throughout the drink evenly. But this is definitely giving strawberry oatmeal. As far as caffeine, because I only put 2 chai in here, there's not a lot. If you put more chai or like espresso or anything in this, it's obviously going to alter the color. The point was to have like a pretty pink drink, but not the actual pink drink. It's different. I don't hate it. Okay guys, this one's pretty basic. I got out of the car. All right, so this one's pretty basic. Well, I barely did makeup today, and okay, whatever. So this one's pretty basic. It's just a pink drink with strawberry puree in the cold foam. It's really pretty. Even more than being like a Valentine's drink, it reminds me of like Barbie, which just makes the drink. So I think my last Starbucks like holiday drink video I made, non-menu holiday drinks, I did like 4 drinks. So this is number 4, but I want to keep the video going a little bit and make it a little longer. I think I'm going to show you guys like 1 or 2 more drinks tomorrow. But yeah, I have to call this the Barbie drink. It's so pretty. And you can get it without the strawberry inclusions if you want. You could also put strawberry puree at the bottom of the cup. You could also put vanilla bean powder. I've seen people do that. But yeah, let me know how you guys like your pink drink. Hey guys, sorry my phone's in a really weird spot right now. Oh my gosh. So I have 2 drinks to show you to end this video. Please excuse my throat, it's a little scratchy today. So the first one, it could be considered Valentine's aesthetic, and it is a strawberry acai refresher with passion tango tea base instead of water. Classic syrup to sweeten it. And yeah, that's it. This is how, that's how you would order. And I discovered this like a couple weeks ago. It's not the healthiest because it has like classic syrup in it and stuff, but it tastes really yummy, like for a cold refreshing drink if you don't necessarily want coffee. And the refreshers and tea do have caffeine in them, so this could be like a wake up call as well. Really good. And then this, I just thought I might as well show you what like my new go-to drink has been. This is a ice white mocha with oat milk, blonde espresso, and toffee nut syrup and extra ice. So both of these venti drinks I showed you are actually grandes. They're just in a venti cup with extra ice, and I'm realizing that that's the best way to have your drink from Starbucks. I highly recommend getting a cup size up with extra ice. It just seems that extra ice really like just keeps the drink really cold for like longer. It's just like more refreshing. I always say, like I've said this before, but if you finish the drink and you still have ice left in the cup, like you enjoyed the drink the right way. It's like all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked this video. If you want more Starbucks drink videos, please leave a comment or like, because I'll continue to do them. But if you guys don't really care for them, I just won't do them. So let me know. And I hope you guys have an awesome Valentine's Day and know that you are loved. And I will see you next time. Bye.